manufacturing flexibility, not only across many vehicles. And in fact, it really is designed with modular vehicle architecture and incredible manufacturing flexibility. Now back to those designs. Of course, it can be stacked horizontally or vertically and can accommodate more power and range. Now, in addition to that, it also includes multiple interchangeable drive units, which allows you to create literally front, rear, and all-wheel drive configurations. Again, showing you just the flexibility of our new Altia platform. But it gets better. With new state-of-the-art battery chemistry that really allows for extended range, our Silverado EV right here in front of us can literally give you an estimated 400 miles of range on a single charge. Now, when that is utilized on the public DC fast charger, you're looking at adding about 100 miles in as little as 10 minutes. Now again, that is for our Silverado. We're going to talk about each one in just a second. Now, with respect to the Silverado, you'll notice, of course, a lower floor, which accommodates more interior room, also has road-hugging maneuverability thanks to that low center of gravity. And you have innovative features like our exclusive e-trunk, which is right in the front, allows you to store personal items. Now, with respect to our Silverado here, it will be available very soon. Also, you have 10.2 kilowatts of all-electric power on that. But also added for 2023 is our first ever Blazer that's going to be badged as a 2024. Now that Blazer is really what we like to describe as an EV with the soul of a sports car. That's going to come in 3 distinct trim levels: LT, RS, and the SS, which of course, if you take a look, we have right here in front of us. Now that RS is really designed for individuals if you're looking for more sporty, bold, aggressive. That's definitely one you want to keep on your radar. I'll point out a few things about it. You'll notice, of course, the blacked out top, 22-inch wheels come standard. Once you're on the inside, you'll notice ambient lighting, spaciousness, very futuristic approach. Also, that steering wheel race inspired. Now, when it comes to our Blazer, you're looking at about 320 miles of a full range, and that Blazer, because it's really powerful, 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds on that SS with the wide open watts. Blazer will be available summer of 2023. But let's talk Equinox. Right here next to me, our all-new Equinox is starting at just $30,000. The Equinox is really going to give you that perfect combination of performance, style, and also technology. It will come with 2 distinct trim levels, which includes the LT, which you're looking at here, and the RS. Now, the LT is really designed if you want more sleek, elegant lines or aggressive styling like our RS that you'll see there. Now, just make note, the RS is coming out first fall of this year, and the following trim levels will come spring of 2024. Now, with respect to this, let's take a look at the design keys. Flush door handles, innovative features like our lighting choreography in the front and rear of the vehicle. Once you're on the inside, similar to our Blazer, nice bold layout, 17-inch infotainment screen, 11-inch driver information center. Also, you have the race-inspired steering wheel that is similar to the Blazer. You have heads-up display and warm amenities like heated seats and also your heated steering wheel. Now, it's very fun to drive. In fact, you're looking at about 300 miles of range on a single charge with our Equinox. Now, the Equinox can charge with the public fast charging 70 miles in 10 minutes. So it's quite impressive when it comes to our Equinox. Now, between the Equinox, Blazer, and Silverado, it comes with a host of amenities. For example, hands-free start, no more push to start. Literally, with your key fob entered, tap on the brake, and you're ready to drive. How cool is that? You also have navigation, as well as the ability to plan your journey and route with various charging stations. You also have one-pedal driving, region on demand, which essentially converts that kinetic energy into stored energy to maximize your range. And of course, we can't talk about this and leave out safety. It is our #1 priority here at Team Chevy to assure you're safe and secure thanks to our standard Chevy Safety Assist. Essentially, it's a bundle about 6 advanced technologies and within one that will now come standard on your Equinox, Silverado, and also Blazer. And of course, we further give you the confidence with our warranty. In addition to bumper-to-bumper, 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty on your electrical components, just further giving you that confidence anytime you're behind the wheel of any of our vehicles. So folks, you can see when it comes to our Blazer, our Equinox, and our Silverado, it shows our commitment to innovation with respect to our Ultium platform and how the possibilities are always endless. I'd like to thank you so much for your time and attention today. My name is Eva. Thanks so much for listening and spending time with us here at Team Chevy. We also have a host of very knowledgeable product specialists on the floor that can further assist you. I can also send you specific product information by way of email on the vehicles we talked about today, or actually any of our Chevy cars and trucks. Thank you so much for your time. Again, happy Friday, and make sure wherever the day and journey leads you, you always continue to find new roads.